Hey, this is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified driving instructor. Today we're going to talk about decisions. I'm in a private driveway. There's traffic coming left and right. It's all about timing. So I'm coming up to the edge of the street. I have to look left. I have to look right. I'm looking for a gap. When there's a gap, you pull out safely because no one wants a car to pull out in front of them. That's scary. Now, I'm going to be making some other turns. So I have to stay to the left lane because I need to go across traffic and then make a left-hand turnaround. This is a double right turn lane, so you need to know where you're going. So the light is red, our light is red. The cross traffic has the green light. We can turn on red if it's clear. We now have a green, so I'm looking to check traffic. I'm in the correct lane. I go over to the left lane and I proceed. You always want to take your time. You always want to know where you're going. So I'm going to be making a left-hand turnaround. So my blinker's on, mirror turn signal blind spot. I want to stay to the outside lane because I want to go straight across the street. And I'm looking at signs, so you want to know where you're going. Now, I'm going to be making a left-hand turn. They turn on their blinker at the last second. I like to have my blinker on early and often so people know where we're going. And I'm going to make a right-hand turn, so I'm turning hand over hand. You really want to master that steering. You really want to use your blinker. So it's really important that you understand that you analyze the situation. And then once you analyze driving situations, you will make better decisions. So let's talk about vision for a moment. You have to look where you're going. If you don't look where you're going and you don't anticipate what traffic is doing, you're going to cut off cars. And we don't want you be getting drivers of 2021, it's 2020 right now, to cut off cars. The learning process does take time. You've got to get out and drive. I would start in neighborhoods, I would start in parking lots, I would start in low volume traffic. So you can be accustomed to what traffic is doing. Never assume a person has on the right blinker and they're going right. They might not know. Never assume that a person has on their left blinker and they're going left. People don't pay attention, they get confused. Beginning drivers, and I'm talking about a driver with less than 10 years of experience, they turn on the wrong blinker. And sometimes I've had students hit the gas instead of the brake. All of these things will give you clues and information. Also, you've got to learn how to have space. And let's use my two hands as an example. You need to decide, is this enough space to pull out? Is this enough space to pull out? Is that enough space to pull out? And that's where that experience comes into play, where you have to have your older sister or brother, your mom or dad, or someone driving with you to give you clues, to give you support. And those things are extremely important. You need to know what lane you need to be in so you know what lane you're going to end up in. You don't want to cut across traffic. That is dangerous and illegal. Decisions take time to learn, take time to develop. You're analyzing cars, you're analyzing pavement markings, you're analyzing the traffic light. You're looking at a lot of different things to allow you to make a good decision. And that's what driver's education is about. That's what good drivers do. They analyze situations, they analyze other drivers, and they analyze everything around them. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. This is Driving with Miles. I need you to subscribe to my channel. I do driver's ed tutorials. I do road test tutorials. I want to thank you for supporting me, and subscribe to my channel and leave comments and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. I appreciate all of you.